Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into Armin Ronacher's insightful blog post, Build It Yourself. A passionate plea for a shift in how we approach dependencies in software development, particularly within the Rust ecosystem.
I'm eager to hear this. The title alone suggests a challenge to conventional wisdom. What's the core argument?
Exactly. Ronacher argues that the current obsession with dependency management, while seemingly promoting modularity and code reuse, often leads to unnecessary complexity and maintenance overhead. He points to the dependency churn, the constant updates, patches, and audits that consume developer time and introduce security vulnerabilities. It's a real problem.
So he's suggesting we write more code ourselves instead of relying on external libraries? That seems radical.
It is. But hear him out. He uses the example of terminal_size, a crate with a seemingly simple function, determining terminal dimensions. Yet it drags in multiple other crates, resulting in a massive compile time for something fundamentally stable. He even mentions his own 10-year-old version still works perfectly. Amazing.
Wow. That's a compelling example. But isn't code reuse a cornerstone of efficient software development? Isn't it better to leverage existing, well-tested libraries?
Absolutely. But Ronacher isn't advocating for abandoning all libraries. He acknowledges the importance of robust libraries for complex tasks like graphics or network protocols. His point is about proportionality. When a single function requires compiling thousands of lines of code from other libraries, something's wrong. It's about mindful dependency selection.
He mentions the influence of corporate culture, rewarding engineers for using new libraries even if unnecessary. That's a very insightful point. It creates a system where dependabot pull requests become a constant source of stress.
Precisely. The pressure to constantly update dependencies, even for stable components, is fueled by this culture. He even shares his experience with the SHA-1 small crate, where he was pressured to integrate it into a larger, more dependency-heavy ecosystem. It's a frustrating reality.
He suggests a vibe shift, celebrating minimal dependencies and rewarding engineers who write concise, self-contained code. I like that. It's a call for a more sustainable and less chaotic approach to software development.
Exactly. He highlights projects like Mini Jinja, which proudly showcases its minimal dependency tree as a point of pride. It's a refreshing change. The article concludes with a call to action, to be more discerning about our dependencies, and to appreciate the value of writing clean, self-sufficient code when appropriate. A very powerful message.
It's a thought-provoking piece. It challenges us to reconsider our ingrained habits and prioritize long-term maintainability over short-term convenience. I agree.
Absolutely. And it's a conversation that needs to happen more often in the software development community. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this discussion. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.